To him. Today has been kind of a tale of two types of weather. We started out the early morning with some big storms and had several tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings issued. Thankfully, no reports of any damage. And then most of the day today in the daylight hours was very pleasant, a high of 74 degrees. We started out the morning a little milder, 50s, low 60s with the clouds and rainfall. But once the clouds and rain cleared out, we actually started to see some bright sunshine even earlier this morning. And then that system moved away. It's still in the vicinity, which might bring back some clouds a little bit later on this evening and certainly to start the day tomorrow. 72 with dew points in the mid 50s, winds out of the west right now at 9 miles an hour and all sitting in the 70s, a very mild rest of the afternoon and heading into the early evening. Here is the center of that system, which is now over North Louisiana. Now, the biggest storms associated are now well off to our east, but as this circulation gets a little closer to us, it may start to bring down some spotty showers later this evening and overnight. Not expecting anything particularly heavy, as the rainfall associated with the low itself are very, very weak, and a few little sprinkles here and there, maybe across mainly the Florida parishes. But as we get into the overnight hours and into early tomorrow, notice that low will start to bring in some of this low cloudiness. So we may begin the day with a bit more cloudiness and then start to see a little more sunshine as we head into the next couple of days. That storms overnight, that was for earlier this morning. And we are going to stay quiet through St. Patrick's Day with beautiful weather right through Thursday, then another chance for some storms as we head into early on Friday morning, because here's what's happening. There's the upper level low. Again, what we're seeing on satellite and radar is actually associated with this upper level feature, which is kind of moving towards southeast Louisiana. This feature will continue to move away, again, getting some of that wraparound moisture later tonight and into early tomorrow morning with a few spotty showers and a little cloud cover. Then that moves away. Beautiful weather right through St. Patrick's Day. Then here comes another upper trough, bringing with it another chance for storms during the early morning hours of Friday. The timing for this next round looks to be very similar. Late night and into the early morning, or most of the day on Friday, will be clear and beautiful as we head into the weekend. Then it looks like another system approaches us by the early part of next week, bringing with it another chance for showers and storms. But the active weather associated with the low that we're still dealing with right now, far weaker as that line pushes further away from the upper energy as it moves towards southern Georgia and much of northern Florida. That system will continue to bring in the rainfall, but moving away from us, and again may still have a little bit of the remnant cloud cover and a few spotty showers early tomorrow. Then the skies will be clearing, plenty of sunshine through the day tomorrow. Thursday, St. Patrick's Day, very nice, but during the day Thursday, we'll also start to see a return flow, meaning winds back off of the Gulf, and that will likely lead to some warmer, more humid air. Then another chance for some storms. Not sure why my data disappeared here as our next front approaches, and again, it looks like that next chance of rain is going to be all early on Friday morning. And with that early Friday morning rain and storm chance, there will be a low end risk for some severe weather. Right now, the greater risk does look to be from the metro area to the North Shore and into southwestern Mississippi, with a lower end risk from the city down toward the coast. This will be fine tuned as we get closer to Friday morning. But again, with this next upper system and cold front, we could see a few isolated or even widely scattered strong to severe storms. And once again, it's all coming in during the early morning hours when everyone is still asleep. So tonight, an isolated passing shower with partly cloudy skies and overnight lows into the 50s. Tomorrow, bit of cloud cover early, then I think we'll start to see more sunshine during the afternoon, and actually a couple of degrees cooler, around 70 degrees. A kind of northwesterly wind will help to reinforce some slightly cooler, drier air or milder air. Very nice day, but a little warmer, a little more humid, especially later in the day for St. Patrick's Day. Those early morning storms Friday, weekend looking gorgeous. Then we quickly warm up, turn more humid, with some storms returning by early next week.